It's new to me, so that's why I want to clean it. You know, someone else's sweat, someone else's sneezes, bodily fluids. I love it when you call me señorita. Well, I'm not a senor. I'm a senor, not a señorita. Welcome back to another Initial Speed. I'm your host, Phil. Today, the side project is to get the leaves out of or off of the Audi. I don't want it to plug the drain holes. When the drain holes are plugged, the water comes into the car. Bad design, I know. I didn't do it. Clean that up, but the main job today is to shampoo and clean up, detail the Jetta. Don't know what's taken me so long to do it. Anyway, come along. Let's see how hard or easy it is. Let's go. So these leaves are what I'm talking about. They're the ones that clog up the drainage. So quickly take care of that. If there's any time left over, we'll wash them both up. So the reason I spray down rubbers around the car is winter's on its way and the silicone doesn't allow the doors to stick. You know when you wake up that nice winter morning and you go to open your door and it's stuck, it's frozen? This helps to lessen the chances that can happen. I did the engine because I'd shampooed it before but I didn't finish it. So hopefully I can, once I'm finished detailing this thing, we can wash it up and make it look nice. I am going to start wiping down all the vinyl, so the dash, the door. Then I believe what I'll do is move on to the vacuuming, and I haven't decided yet whether or not I'm going to dress the vinyl yet. Then I would do that, then the windows, then I would shampoo. Sorry guys, I forgot to give you a before. It's new to me, so that's why I want to clean it. I mean, it's not horrible, but you know, someone else's sweat, someone else's sneezes, bodily fluids, you know. I just want out. Put mine in. Camera's not going to show you everything, but headliner is dirty. There's hair in here. You know, just got to get all that stuff out. All the blacks are black. It's a little hard to film clean at the same time, so I'm just going to show you what it looked like before and what it's looking like now. It's not dry yet, obviously, but I'm just doing a surface clean, just removing any stains and things like that, which there really aren't. The vehicle was taken care of pretty well. If it was dirtier, then I would rip out the seats and then go hardcore. But seeing how it's not so bad, I'm just doing a light shampooing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've done the backs of these seats and the bottom there, the ground here, and obviously haven't done this corner yet. That should just give you an idea of what the potential is. What the potential is? What? Alright, so I'm at the driver's floor now. Now, of course, that's usually worse than anything else because that's the spot where the person sits the most, brings in the most amount of dirt. So what I've done is I've put down a little bit of soap. I'm gonna pull out the hose, put some water in there. I've got a brush and agitate everything, try to get some of that salt out of the carpet and vacuum it out. As well, the floor mats, I am going to put some soap on there, put some water on there and let them sit a little bit before I do anything. This is what the floor currently looks like. Driver's corner. And that's the way you do it. So typically I would wash the car first. I would wash the car first and soak the mats. But I was looking at the weather and it said it was going to rain. Well, I hope you learned something. If you did, if you enjoyed, if it was a good entertainment, down below click the like and subscribe button and the bell. That'll let you know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. Here's a look at the, here's an outro of the car. And just a quick shout out. Happy birthday, Omar. And Mom, and Dad, and Kaon, and Anthoy, and Grandma, and the list goes on and on. Any of you guys have that many birthdays it feels like Christmas? Drop it down below. Tell us your situation.